What did one lake say to the other? What are you doing this weekend? Speaking of which, be sure to sign up for the Restore the Bear cleanup happening on May 2nd, and it's hosted by Care for Big Bear. You guys are going to meet at Dank Donuts, enjoy some refreshments, some donuts as well, possibly. Jelly-filled, hopefully, actually. Jelly-filled are my favorite. And then you guys will split up from there and go and clean up a part of the our beautiful valley, and hopefully bring back some of our natural beauty that we have. Speaking of Holloway's Marina, boat rentals and bike rentals are in full swing now that spring is here. So you guys can come out, pick up an awesome boat, and get some practice in for fishing for 50K, which is coming up here in June. Speaking of rentals being in full swing, be sure to rent a bike at any of the local bike rental spots. Got your kids in tow? Why not tow them with a bike? Let's be sure it's safe too, and tow them in a trailer. Speaking of bike rentals, Tour de Big Bear is coming up. May 17th, it's actually the same weekend as our Spartan Trifecta. So, that way you guys can get your Trifecta medals. Also happening May 17th is Maifest, the first weekend for Maifest, which is just a smaller version of Oktoberfest in May. How about that? Name works out real well. And now for our featured partner of the week, Rustic Mountain Chocolate and Silver Fawn Jewelry. If you guys are looking for awesome jewelry and some tasty chocolate, these are your guys. Just be sure not to wear your chocolate and eat your jewelry. Or do. I'm not a cop. I'm just a Squatch. Which lake do ghosts go to for vacation? Lake Erie. Ooh. Spooky. What did the lake say to the ocean? You're too salty for my taste. And you know what the ocean said to the shore? Nothing. It just waved. Why did the fisherman bring a pencil to the lake? In case he had to draw a line. Oh my god, my back. Don't get old, kids. You guys can also rent a boat. Tour de Big Bear is coming up. And speaking of bikes, Tour de Big Bear is coming up. Tour de Big Bear is coming up. Was it May 2nd? Speaking of bikes, Tour de Big Bear is coming up. So that means, and also happening May 17th. And also biggest joke so far is my life, and that's a fact.